Dr. Waqar Ali Sahab, you are director of Maulana Azad College of Engineering and Technology here in Patna. I am Mumtaz Alam Fly from 2circus.net. I think this institution is almost 20 years old. So today, how do you describe it in brief? What is the present status of this institution?
Actually, it was established in 1988. And since 1988, it is spreading the knowledge among the society very well. Now, I joined here last month, December 2011. And there are many problems in this college regarding the practical classes. Theory classes is going very well, but there is no practical classes, and the discipline problem is also there. So I am continuously trying to improve the discipline of the college and the academic also. So this is
What are the courses you are running here at this institution?
We are running presently 5 courses: civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science and engineering, also electronics and telecommunication. So these are the 5 branches presently running.
These are graduation courses of BTech 4
These
years.
are the graduation courses.
Is it recognized by the state government or
It
central
is
government?
recognized by the AICT, or India Technical Education Society, and the affiliation is to the Magadh University.
Magadh University. Is it a minority institution?
Partially you can say it is a minority institution, because full-fledged it is not declared by the Minority Commission.
Okay.
So we have a letter from the Banerjee, name is the Barney. A letter was given by this Mr. Barney sir. But we are applying, we are preparing for that permanent minority institution.
Have you approached to National Commission for Minority Educational Institutions?
We are preparing that.
Okay. So even though it is not a minority institution, do you have some reservation for Muslim students here?
No, there is no such type of reservation here.
Okay.
We are getting 50% seat from the Bihar government,
Okay.
and 50% from management quota.
Okay.
These are the
So at present you are running 5 disciplines. I just you have mentioned. What is the total strength today of students?
So in electronics and mechanical is 360, and in other branches is 60. The intake is 60.
So how do you classify community-wise the strength of the students? The portion of the students community-wise?
Community-wise is almost 70 to 30.
70 Muslims and 30 others. Okay. Dr. Waqar Sahab, in the last few months, I have got several links from your PRO regarding some companies are taking interest in this institution. They are coming here for campus placement, campus selection. So do you think that over the years, the name and fame of this MASET, Maulana Azad College of Engineering and Technology, has gone out in the world, in the country, and companies are taking interest?
Yes, because this is the actually this credit is going to the our PRO. PRO is continuously trying for that purpose. So our PRO is very much interesting to come, the company to come here, and they get the student from here.
Okay. Just if we take a walk in the history of this Maulana Azad institution, it was established in 1988. How it progressed? How do you describe the birth of this MASET?
Actually, this organization was established by the Sayyid Sarwar Ali, Justice Sarwar Ali, and he was the very good personality, and this social reformer also. And he think about the community. There is no technical institute in the Patna for minority. So he take the interest to the interest in this regard and establish an institution for minority.
Okay. So this institution is run by a society, perhaps. I have been told. a
This
society.
institution is running by the Millat Education Society, which comprises 11 members and one president also.
Okay. So Millat Education Society is also running some other institutions here in Patna or Bihar.
No. Yeah, other institution is also.
Okay. Okay.
So one institution name is, I don't know about another institution, but a institution is there.
Okay. Dr. Wakari sir, you have just joined this institution. It's a prestigious institution in terms of it is attachment with Muslim community, which is run by a Muslim educational society. What's your planning? How do you see this institution in the next 5 or 10 years?
Inshallah, it will progress in the direction of technically soundness and discipline also, and it will spread the knowledge among our community. Very well.
Okay, regarding the disciplines courses, you are also going to expand it in
Actually,
diploma
we are
courses?
preparing for MTech courses also and MBA also, and in our planning a feeder school also is there. So we make a school for the feeder, which act as a feeder.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Wakar Ali sir. Thank you.